Hello again, everyone. This video will walk you through how to create a filter code. Filter codes are used to segregate accounts when running reports, performing payouts, and sending bulk emails. For example, some stores use the filter code to distinguish their better clients as VIP accounts. Filter codes are assigned to accounts using the filter code field, which is located on the additional info tab of the account detail window. Filter codes must be added from the filter code maintenance window before they can be used in an account. To add a filter code in the Liberty Inventory module, click Setup, Maintain, Filter Codes. The Maintain Filter Codes dialog box will open. Select the Add button. The details of the filter code will open. Enter the name of the filter code in the filter code field. Click the OK button on the Maintain Filter Code window. You should see your new filter code in the list. Click the OK button to exit the Maintain Filter Codes dialog box. Now to apply the filter code to an account, open the account and find the filter code option. Use the selector option to the right and double-click on your desired filter code, moving it to the right panel. Click OK when done. Select Save when done. Thank you for joining this video on creating and applying filter codes.